Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDMI K90 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's tap on this ringtone section at the top, and here we've been transferred to the themes from which we can download certain ringtones. If you wish to choose something from pre-installed ones, here you've got the folder, so simply tap on it, tap on ringtone, and here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones. If you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and then listen and decide. If you would like to set a specific ringtone, just tap on it again until it will be marked. However, if you wish to choose something from the themes, just come back here and choose something from the categories. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So let me pick maybe this one. And then in order to listen, you have to tap on it, and then your device will play it. Of course, beware, you need the internet connection for that. And if you wish to apply it, just tap on this bell icon next to it. Now you can decide where you want to set it, or as what kind of sound you'd like to set it. So just tap on a ringtone, and your device will download the ringtone and it will apply it. However, we did not receive the information, so just to be sure, just tap on it again. We should have the information. We can also go back, and as you can see, if the ringtone was changed, here you will have the information, what kind of ringtone, the name of the ringtone which was applied, and from now on your device will use it whilst informing you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.